we are to find the gradient and the intercept of line 3y minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. So let's do that. So welcome back. This is Best Sport channel. This video we are going to be looking into some example on gradient of a line. In the previous video, we have been able to look into the formula for finding the gradient of a line when we are being given 2 points, and also when we have the line to be having an angle with the x-axis. For that, we have the gradient of a line when we are given 2 points to be m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And also, we say today angle that a line makes with the x-axis is theta, and the formula when we are going to find that is the same thing as saying that we have tan theta equals to the gradient. So let's take the first example. The first example, we are to find the gradient of a line joining point A 2, 1 and B 5, minus 2. Here we can sketch the line joining the 2 points when we have A 2, 1 and B 5, minus 2. So we have our x1 to be equals to 2, y1 to be equals to 1, x2 to be equals to 5, and y2 to be equals to minus 2. Now, for our gradient, using the formula of the gradient, we say the gradient equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Substitute the value of our x1, y1, x2, y2 and the others into the formula. We have x2, y2 to be minus 2 minus y1 to be 1 divided by x2 to be 5 minus x1 to be 2. So we have minus 2 minus 1 is going to give us minus 3. 5 minus 2 is going to give us 3. Then we have 3 divided by 3, we have minus 1. So the gradient of the line equals to minus 1. For example 2, we are to find the gradient and the intercept of line 3y minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. So let's do that. So we are given the line 3y minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. For us to get the gradient, we need to rewrite this one in the form y equals to mx plus c. And for us to do that, we isolate y. So we have 3y equals to, we take minus 5 to the other side to becomes 5 plus 5x, and we take plus 1 to the other side to becomes minus 1. So we need y, so we divide both sides by 3. So dividing both sides by 3, we have 3. So we are left with y here equals to 5x minus 1 divided by 3. This fraction, we can split it into 2 to have 5 over 3 x minus 1 over 3. So that is telling us that we have y equals to 5x divided by 3 minus 1 over 3. And if we compare it with y equals to mx plus c, that is telling us that we have mx equals to 5 divided by 3x, x divided by x, we are left with m to be equals to 5 over 3. And also, we have c to be equals to minus 1 over 3. That is telling us that our gradient is 5 over 3 and our intercept is minus 1 over 3. Thank you for watching. If you find the video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Bye for now.